नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग क्लास 7th के जनरल साइंस में लेसन नंबर 12 द मस्कुलर सिस्टम एंड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन बींग्स इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाहर कर सकते हो। यह है लेसन नंबर 12 द मस्कुलर सिस्टम एंड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमन बींग्स। उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द राइट वर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रैकेट्स। फर्स्ट, द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द डैश स्टमक माउथ। द आंसर इज माउथ। द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द माउथ। Second, eyelids have dash muscles, voluntary, involuntary. The answer is voluntary. Eyelids have voluntary muscles. Third, dash is not a function of the muscular system. Production of blood cell performing movements. The answer is production of blood cells. Production of blood cells is not a function of the muscular system. Fourth, muscles of the heart are dash ordinary muscle, cardiac muscle. The answer is cardiac muscle. Muscles of the heart are cardiac muscles. Fifth, pushing forward the food that has been chewed is the function of the dash stomach, esophagus. The answer is esophagus. Pushing forward the food that has been chewed is the function of the esophagus. Now next question. Question number 2, find a match for me. Group A and Group B इसका मैच करना है. The answer is first, cardiac muscle. We never feel tired. Second, are brought about by muscles, chewing movements of jaws. Third, pepsin, enzymes of gastric juice. Fourth, cramps, uncontrolled and painful contraction of muscles. Fifth, skeletal muscles always function in pairs. Now next question. Question number 3, who is telling a lie? First, tongue, my taste bud can tell only a sweet taste. The answer is tongue is lying. It can sense all the different tastes. Second, liver, I am the largest gland in the body. The answer is liver is telling the truth. Third, large intestine, I am 75 meter long. The answer is large intestine is lying. Its length is 1.5 meter long. Fourth, appendix, digestion is impossible without me. The answer is appendix is lying. It does not perform any function in human body. Fifth, lung, I play an important role in excretion. The answer is lung is telling a partial lie. It can perform function of excretion but not as important role as performed by kidney. Now next question. Question number 4, give reasons. First, food becomes acidic in the stomach. The answer is the wall of the stomach has gastric glands that produce mild hydrochloric acid. Due to this, the food becomes acidic in the stomach. Now next. Second, cardiac muscles are said to be involuntary muscles. The answer is the muscles of heart do not function according to our will. They continuously work throughout the lifetime by involuntary smooth muscles. Now next. Third, intoxicating substances should not be consumed. The answer is consuming intoxicating addictive substances can cause harm to our health. Tobacco, smoking cigarettes, consuming alcohol are bad addictive habits. Some of these also cause cancer of various organs. The functioning of the system of the body is disturbed due to such habits. Therefore, intoxicating substances should not be consumed. Now next. Fourth, your muscles should be strong and efficient. The answer is the muscles of the body become strong and healthy due to proper proteinaceous diet and exercise. With such muscles, we can perform many activities. If the muscles are not healthy, there can be various painful problems. Therefore, the muscles should be strong and efficient. Now next question. Question number 5, answer the following. First, how many types of muscles are there? Which are those types? The answer is the muscles are of 3 main types. Which? First, skeletal or voluntary muscles. Second, cardiac muscles. Third, smooth or involuntary muscles. Now next. Second, what caused the problem of acidity? What is its effect on the body? The answer is acid is produced by stomach. It is mild 0.5% hydrochloric or HCl. If excess of acid is produced, it causes headache, heartburn, vomiting or skin rashes. Now next. Third, name the different types of teeth. What is function of each type? The answer is there are main 4 types of teeth. These are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors help in biting, breaking something into a piece, or for peeling. Canines are not well developed in herbivorous animals and man. They are basically for killing a prey. Premolars and molars help in chewing and grinding the food. Now next question. Question number 6. Sketch and label a diagram of the digestive system and describe in it your own words. This is the digestive system and the answer is the digestion of food starts from the mouth cavity. First mouth. The food that is ingested is broken down into small bits by teeth. The tongue helps to understand the taste. The food is mixed with the saliva by tongue. After the morsel is gulped, it enters the pharynx. Second pharynx. In the pharynx, the esophagus and trachea open. When the food is gulped, the small flap called epiglottis cover the opening of trachea. This makes the food to enter into esophagus. Third, esophagus. This is the first part of the alimentary canal. It starts from pharynx and ends in stomach. Fourth, stomach. The stomach is a large J-shaped bag. There are gastric glands in the wall of stomach. They secrete gastric juice. It has mild hydrochloric acid, pepsin and mucus. The food is churned into semi-solid slurry and mixed with gastric juice in the stomach. The food becomes acidic in the stomach. The preliminary digestion of protein is done by the enzyme pepsin present in the gastric juice. The mucus protects the inner lining of the stomach. The slurry of semi-digested food is passed into small intestine from the stomach. Fifth, small intestine. Small intestine is a very long narrow tube-like part of alimentary canal. It is about 6 meters long. Here two main functions takes place, with completion of digestion and absorption of nutrients. The intestinal juice from wall of small intestine, the bile juice secreted by the liver, and the pancreas juice secreted by the pancreas are mixed with the food here. The digestive enzymes from this secretion act on the food and complete the process of digestion here. The soluble nutrients which are not ready are absorbed in the blood vessels. Sixth, large intestine. Large intestine is about 1.5 meter and is wider in diameter. It has two parts, colon and rectum. There is a small functionless appendix near the beginning of large intestine. The water is reabsorbed here in the large intestine and the feces is formed. The undigested and unwanted matter from the food is thrown out through the anus. 7. Associated digestive glands. The digestive glands are as follows. First, salivary gland. Second, liver. First, salivary gland. 3 pairs of salivary gland open in the mouth. They are located near ear, under the tongue and in the pharynx. These glands secrete saliva which contains salivary amylase or ptyalin. The food is mixed with the enzymes in the mouth. Starch is converted into maltose by this enzyme. Second, liver. Liver is the largest gland in the human body. It stores the glucose. There is gallbladder near the liver. The bile juice secreted by the liver is stored in the gallbladder. The bile juice helps in the emulsification of fats. Bile juice contains bile islets and bile pigments. So friends, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 12 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.